this building, but your gate not confirmed. When the gate confirmed, we can go until when.
Oh.
That's all.
So we the only ones from this room to Lagos?
Yeah. No.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
Oh, people are the only ones from the Lagos. So when
This building, that's why we waiting. Otherwise, when we go other side, it's gate open, we have to come back. That's it.
okay, yeah, I don't want to be
Yeah.
people.
Yeah.
Because we don't get our luggage checked no more.
No.
Yeah, I don't want to do all that. They did that back in Houston.
Yeah.
And I got a
They
whole
check-
bunch of stuff in there.
Oh.
And it took me like another
No,
35 minutes.
no.
Okay. Thank you.